Alright, so here we have a couple of Teslas, in particular these two Model 3s in front of us. One is completely covered with ClearGuard Nano, the one in the back. The one in the front has a full front end expel clear brow with a pre-cut kit. A lot of times when you see people post pictures online, it's usually from far away and you don't get to see the details of the work that was done on the car. So here are some close-up shots. So if you look closely, corners are exposed. Actually looks like there's a blade cut right over here, jagged edges. And then you come down to the bumper. Jagged edges again, dirt collecting on the edge that makes it look even worse. Now you have some joining seams right over here and right over here that goes all the way through, and some more seams in here. When these seams collect dirt, it doesn't look very good, especially if you're picky about your car. Same thing on this side. Around the tow hook cover, you see edges are cut short, it's jagged, lifting dirt collection. Over here, film is actually lifting a little bit and dirt got in here, so it looks pretty bad. Same thing, you hear joining seam. The seam over here. So again, some people don't mind it, but if you're picky about your car, which most of our customers are, this just is not acceptable. Now if you take a look at this Model 3 over here, this was done with ClearGuard Nano. Let's show the details of the front, our custom front bumper. This area right over here is done one piece without any reliefs or openings or joining seams. See, the edges are as close as possible to the panel edge. Same thing over here, film is tucked inside here, nice and clean. Tow hook area, film is wrapped inside, so you don't get that dirt that will eventually build along these seams. If you take a look at the details, the edge corner details, the entire corner is wrapped. There's no excess film. The film is not cut short. So there you have it, the difference between our custom install versus a pre-cut kit.